going on YouTube? Welcome back to the House Money Investing channel. In this video I'm going to give you one stock pick of one of the best stocks to buy at the moment under 20 bucks, and that's going to be Hyliion, ticker HYLN. If you don't know what Hyliion does, is retrofit commercial vehicles like 18-wheelers to save around 60% of fuel costs. Now, truckers, the main overhead that we have is fuel costs. We pay more in fuel than we do for tires, maintenance, repairs, for permits, insurance, all that stuff. Our fixed costs, the main thing is fuel. We pay a lot of money in fuel, and you know, for about 30 grand you can get any truck, an old truck, new truck, you know, any type of truck. Basically you can get it retrofitted at Hyliion, and you're going to save around 60% on fuel costs. Now that in itself is going to pay for itself over year one. Every year after that, I mean, you're just going to be saving money and basically making more profit, you know, keeping more money in your pocket, lowering your overhead, lowering your fixed costs. I don't know why this stock is so beat down and why Wall Street is sleeping on it. Maybe because the EPS was a little bit low. But if you think about the times we're in, that's going to have an effect. This thing ran all the way up to $58. That's the high, $58.66. And it opened today at $7.44. It dropped down to 16. It's been down to 9. If you got into this company when it first IPO'd, I mean, you're still up 60%. This thing ran up to $25, dipped back down after the hype. Then got a big push up to around 58, and then it just, you know, dropped like a rock. This is something you can get into at the moment. Looking at the technicals, it's still in a bearish state, but this is a rebound play. I do own several fractional shares of Hyliion in several different brokerages. Here in Robinhood, I actually swing traded this a while back. Let's see when I swing traded this. Yeah, it doesn't even show. As you see, it says my average cost is 0 and my profit is $4.96. But this here is a long-term play. I am down like 30% on this position in like Fidelity and Ameritrade, but I didn't panic sell. I'm gonna hold on to it. This is something that's gonna bounce back, and when it runs up, people that get into it are gonna make a lot of money. Some of my positions I could have sold out at the peak and took profit, not knowing that I was going to drop this low, and I could have bought back in at a lower price. But then again, you know, I'm not worried about it because I know this is going to jump back up. If you look at the fundamentals of the company, I mean, it makes a lot of sense, and it's going to make a lot of money, and everybody knows what sense makes money, if that makes any sense. Their expected EPS, their actual EPS wasn't that great last quarter, but like I said, this is a bounce back play. If you want to, I wouldn't get in it now. I'm probably going to wait till January to get back into it, but I am going to swing trade this again. And like I said, I hold this in several different brokerages for the long term. I just thought I'd give you guys a nice little stock pick under 20 bucks. And this is it. This is Hyliion.